on the incident. Okay. So before sharing, you have to introduce yourself. You have to greet first. You have to introduce yourself and share your views. Okay. So the person who is sharing their views have to turn on their video. Okay. Let us begin with Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
Good morning to one and all. My name is
Yeah, yeah.
Ayush
You have to
Shukla.
turn. You have to turn on your video and start.
Ma'am, your network is not good, ma'am, so I can't turn my video.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
When I am 14, me and my cousin, for some incident, secretly rushed away from our house. At the same time, we both bought our pocket money along with us, which is 3000 rupees, and started our journey to our grandparents' house, which is quite far away. The first thing we did is that we went to the railway station and we also bought the tickets which are 200 rupees per head. We started our journey. Soon a man with a long beard and poky eyes looked at us so weirdly. The moment he saw, we got scared. He came near to us and snatched our money and ran away. All passengers were looking at us so odd. We both started running behind him, but he jumped out of the train's door. We came back to our seats and started crying and prayed to God. After 1 hour, a miracle had happened to us, that is, TC had come to us and asked us to show the tickets. We daringly told him what has actually happened. He didn't believe. The passengers also reported to TC the story what was happened. Then he felt sorry and he sat beside us and helped in reaching our grandparents' house. The moment we reached our grandparents' house, he hugged and us and cried, and they also prayed to God. Actually, when I born, I don't have faith in God, but after happening this situation, I was really happy and I kept hope on God that He would be with us for every step of our life. We should definitely be thankful for God for His care and helpfulness. Thank you.
Okay. Good. So here two mistakes are there. You have begin with when I am. Now, how old are you,
16, ma'am.
Ayush?
16
You
years.
have to tell when I was. Okay. When I was
Okay, ma'am.
14 years old. Okay. And you have to pronounce it as definitely. How do you pronounce?
Definitely.
Definitely. And remember, always use the same tense in the sentences. Don't use present, past, future in the same sentence for all of you. Okay. While framing, while speaking, you have to speak in the same tense. Okay. Good, Ayush. Now, next turn, Lekana. Now you can mute your audio, Ayush. Lekana.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lekana, and I am going to share my experience in this speech. I don't know how others see what is God. For me, God is a supernatural power which cannot be controlled by no one. One time, I was searching my markers in my room, and I searched whole room. I couldn't find it out. So for I just pray the God forgive, and after few minutes a bag fell down that side, and if I go and see, it was that Marcus which I was searching. This was my experience about the miracle power, and I thank for all for giving me that wonderful opportunity.
Okay. Good, Lekana. You have to speak a bit louder and clearer and speak slowly so that everybody can understand it. Some words will not be heard clearly. Since this is online, some words felt like broken. Okay, you have to speak clearly and slowly. Okay, Lekana.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Good. Next turn, Varsha MS. Varsha MS.
Good morning to everyone. Yes, once came across such a difficulty. I scored very less mark in my maths. So when the marks card came, I was so nervous and I surely knew that my father would scold me. So in the morning, I was so scared and I was crying. And at that time, I thought that something miracle should happen, which should change my marks and give me a better one. But I knew it was practically impossible. With that nervousness in my face, I showed my marks card to my father, and I was about to ask sorry for that. But to my surprise, he didn't say anything, but told it is okay to lose once, and he signed the marks card. I really thought that day God had done miracle on my father.
Yes. Very good. Good, Varsha. Okay. Next, Karthik BK.
Good morning to one and all. I have I have been faced a great difficulty when in early morning I and my friend gone to play volleyball in ground.
When
In
to
ground
play?
there were when in ground they were also some friends of me. We started playing volleyball. After some time we discussed to play cricket. When I was batting, I hit a six. The ball was gone little bit far, and I and my friend tried to search the ball, but we cannot find it. My friend told me that I want 70 rupees or a new ball to purchase a new ball, or I want the lost ball. They have another ball. In that they started playing. I searched the ball and thought, God, please help, and think that God could make miracle and which give me the ball which had lost. On that time, some man comes to me and give the ball and ask, "It is yours ball." Yes, I told yes on that time and give the ball to my friend. And that time I become very happy. And again we started playing.
Okay. Good, Karthik. See, in your speaking this one, some tenses correction are required. Okay. You are using different tenses in the same sentence. Okay. So you have to do those minor corrections. Go through
Okay,
your
miss.
speech once again. Okay. So
Okay,
try to enhance the quality of the speech. Whatever the content was there, you have delivered it. But you have to modify the tenses. Okay.
okay, miss.
Good. Next, Akash. Akash Kattimani. Akash Kattimani. Akash is not here. BM Hemalata. Hemalata BM. Rakesh RK.
Miss,
Yeah.
good morning to
Start
one
your.
and all. My name is Rakesh Arke. Today I am going to share you one of my situation.
One minute, 1 minute. Since this is online, don't just read on very fast and complete off. Go slowly. Whatever you speak should reach the people. It should not be like reading. Okay? You have to introduce yourself as I am Rakesh, not my name is. Everybody, remember. Yes, start from beginning.
Good morning to one and all. I am Rakesh. Today I am going to share you one of my situation where miracle happened and problem solved. I have been in my many situations where it is not possible only for me to stay. The day needs a miracle. Some of the days are at the times of Shravana Belagula Mastaka Abhisheka. Me and my family planned a trip of visiting Shravana Belagula and seeing the gods Bahubali statue, and few days after, at the month of March, we succeeded to succeeded to us, and the trip was meant for 3 days only. And we reached there, and only 2 days were left to see that. There are two hills to see. One of is of Vindhyagiri hill, and another one is of Chandragiri. At first day, we climbed Vindhyagiri hill, and the day was completed within that only. And only one day left. If we visit another hill, the time and the plan was to be wasted. My father thought of leaving that and going to house again. But me and my brother and my mother was planned to see that and go and was planned to go to Mangalore to see my mother's sister. But my father didn't agree, and he told us to go wherever you want, you go. And he left us to go, and he gone to our house. My mother took us with her, and we gone to Mangalore to see our aunt. But we were in hope that we wish we would see that another hill so that we would be seen all that, because whether it would happen us to come to there again will happen or not, we don't know. So we thought that we would never see it again and can only be seen at next Mahamastaka Abhisheka. But now comes the twist that happened to us. That is, we reached our aunt's house, who were planned to visit Shravanabelagula in few days after. So they asked us to stay for few days and to join their trip. Finally, the day came, and we were excited to see that Shravanabelagula again, once again, and seeing Chandragiri Hill. We reached Shravanabelagula and uncle and saw everything with our aunt, uncle, and my sister. And the days were fun, and we enjoyed it. We were taught that God only made us to see Him, whatever it will be, and He made it, which was one miracle to us and an perfect coincidence. And in this was our problem was solved and was became memorable day. Thank you.
Okay, good, Rakesh. Uh, whatever you have written, content, it's good. You have to work little bit on your pronunciation skills. Okay, Rakesh. And there are some minor corrections in tenses in the sentence formation. You can work on it, and in the next speech you can deliver it very well. Okay. Next
Yes,
turn, Tejaswini. Tejaswini. Tejaswini is not here. Okay. Syed Mustafa. Syed Mustafa. Another Tejaswini from your class. There are two Tejaswini. Both are not here. Abhilash. Abhilash. Abhilash left the class only. Sanjay K. Sanjay. Mahesh Kumar. Mahesh Kumar, you have sent your speech. You can deliver it. Mahesh Kumar. Karthik. Karthik DK.
I said, miss.
Okay, you said Karthik G. Karthik G.
Miss,
Yes.
I am Karthik here.
Karthik G. Yes.
When I am 13 years old, me and my brother were planned to for going grandparents' house without telling without telling to our parents. Then we both went to the railway station. There we don't take the ticket and we get onto the train. But their checking master came and asked us to take ticket, but we don't know to take ticket. So we asked help for him and he gave us a ticket in next station and help us to go for our grandparents' house there. We were so scared that he will he will take us to the he will give us a fine. So he helped us in that situation and it is till that time I have heard only God saves us in bad time. There I had experienced that.
Yes. Good. Where did you go? To which place you try to go without ticket, Karthik?
To our grandparents' house.
No, which place?
Place Hubli.
Hubli. Okay. So never try to travel without ticket, okay? Again, good. You have to work little bit on your pronunciation. Okay, Karthik? Good. Next, Varsha MS.
I
Varsha
said,
MS. You said, okay. Akash Kattimani. Akash Kattimani. DM Hemalata. Syed Mustafa. Tejaswini. Sanjay K. Mahesh Kumar. Mahesh Kumar, you have sent me the speech. Don't be afraid. Deliver your speech. You have written it nicely. Why did you leave? Sheikh Madiha. Sheikh Madiha. Sinchana ji. Sinchana.
ma'am,
Yeah. Deliver your
Ma'am.
speech.
till then, no difficulties, nothing miracle had happened in my life, ma'am. What to do?
Till day, no miracle you have experienced.
No, ma'am.
Something would have happened. Just think about it and try to deliver by end of the day. Nothing.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody would have experienced some or the other thing. It may be big or it may be small.
Okay, ma'am. I tried to imagine and write the story.
No, don't imagine. You have to share your experience. Any incident,
Okay.
it may be big or small.
Okay, ma'am.
Mustafa, Tejaswini, both Tejaswini, Abhilash, they left only. Akash Kattimani, okay. Anybody left out who have prepared but not delivered?
I will tell Miss.
Okay, Karthik.
Karthik
Initial?
BM Miss. BM.
You did not tell her? Okay. Yes. Tell Karthik.
Good morning to everyone. I am Karthik BM. Now I am going to speak about the incident which had happened in my life. When I was 10 years old, this incident had happened. When I am playing in the ground near my house, my left hand has been fractured completely.
Before this, already 2 times my both hands has been fractured and faced a lot of pain by it. And when I have gone to hospital, they put the bandage and belt to the fractured hand. And they also told that it will heal, but the pain will be there for 1 year. My family has cared so much about my hand. But the miracle has happened that my fracture has cured completely without any pain. So I thank the God for that miracle. So this is the difficulty which I have faced in my life, and I am very thankful to God for this miracle.
Okay, good. You have to work little bit on sentence formation. You have written everything, but there are some minor corrections in the sentences. You have to use the same tense throughout the speech. Okay, Karthik?
Okay, ma'am.
Good,
Okay, ma'am.
good. Anybody left out? Shreyas? Shreyas? Sanjay K? Chirant? Chirant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I am
you may deliver your, yeah.
I am Chirantes. Earlier, Earlier this year, I was traveling for my aunt's place to my city by train. As I did not know the roads and traffic schemes of the new city, I got stuck in the jams and could not reach the station before 5 minutes have passed the train's scheduled time. The station was a lot with platforms arranged in a non-conventional manner, knowing that the train must have left. I crushed my luck and subconsciously reached the designation platform. I was surprised to see that the train was still there. It left as soon as I got in my compartment. The miracle here is that the train was originating from the situation station and had reputation of never starting late. Thank
Okay. You did not conclude your speech. You recited the incidents, but you did not conclude the speech. Okay, good try. So you have to complete and come to a conclusion. Okay, children. Next, Shreyas. Shreyas. Hemalata. Okay, anybody left out? Akash Kattimani. Nobody are left out? Yes. Okay. You have delivered the speech very well. Very good try. I'm happy that you could recite the incident which happened in your life. You could share your views. So, in the next activity, try to make it more effective. You have done it. I have given you feedback also. I also gave you one more activity. Have you written it? The activity was to frame 5 sentences. 5 sentences which shows negative emphasis, negative empathy. Who want to read your sentences first? Who want to read your sentences? Varsha? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Have you written the sentences?
Miss, I didn't know, miss.
You didn't know?
No, miss.
Okay. Anybody else? Have you written? Lekana, Karthik, Ayush, Shreyas, Karthik, Sanjay, Akash Kattimani. Have you written the sentences?
Shall I
No?
read, ma'am?
Yes, read.
There is nothing at all left in the fridge. I would rather not be here at all.
Yes.
We had no rain at all this summer and now we have floods.
Yes.
Not at all can come before an car. She was not at all happy with the result.
Yes. Next.
This much only I have written, ma'am.
3 sentences you have written. Huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Have you started writing your notes, children? Start writing your notes. You have to maintain a 200 pages book, maintain right side margin, and complete your notes. So we'll wind up today's session. In tomorrow's session, let us begin with the next poem, The Dust of Snow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
those who have delivered the speech very good. I appreciate your effort and sincerity. Those who have missed today's class, make sure you have to deliver the speech. Okay? Thank you. Let us wind up today's session. Tomorrow we'll continue with next poem.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Miss.
Bye, miss.
Bye bye. Good day.